Mr. Tutor, PhD's got the knowledge, he's got the key.
Welcome to the world of PowerPoint Slide Master, a powerful feature designed to streamline your presentation creation process. The Slide Master allows you to maintain a consistent design across all your slides, ensuring a professional and polished look. By making changes in the Slide Master, you can simultaneously update fonts, colors, backgrounds, and other elements across your entire presentation, saving time and effort. This introduction will guide you through the basics of using the Slide Master to enhance your presentations and keep your audience engaged with visually cohesive slides. Get ready to take your presentations to the next level with Slide Master. Let's get started. To get to the Slide Master, in PowerPoint, go to View, then click Slide Master. On the left-hand side, you'll see all of the default slides that are already created. You can delete these, customize them, or add your own. This right here is the master slide. Any changes to this slide will apply to all of the slides. Changes made to specifically just these slides, except for the background, will only apply to that slide. So when you're making changes, make sure you're doing it on this slide if you want it to apply to all of your slides. What are placeholders? Placeholders are the objects that are on the slides. You can't set these on the main slide because the main slide is really the design theme, but each one of these slides has content that are placeholders. If we click Insert Layout, we can create a new slide, and we have Insert Placeholders over here. We can decide we want to click on these. We can add different items. There's many different placeholders, and each one of these will apply to each individual slide. Let's start by creating a custom background. On the slide, right-click, choose Format Background. I'm going to go with a gradient fill, and I'm going to choose to do it at an angle. There are presets, but I'm going to customize them. At the gradient stops, we can change the color. So I can add gradient stops. 5 is a good number. I'm going to start with a dark theme. I'm going to end with a different color. It's going to go from dark blue to a dark purple. We're going to add in some other gradient colors in the middle, and then we're going to adjust these. You can customize these all you want. There's many different directions that you can choose. Once you're done creating your background, make sure you hit the Apply to All button. Next, we need to look at formatting our objects. Now we can see that these slides, the text is too dark for this background. So on the main slide, I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to go into Home, and I'm going to adjust the text. And I'm going to say, let's make this one white. Over here, we'll adjust this color and maybe give it a 15% darker. Looks good. Now we also have these footers down here. We're going to adjust those texts. While we're on the footers, let's talk about them. Footers don't show up on the slides automatically. You'll need to go to Insert tab and click on Header and Footer. You click on the date and time, you can do the slide number and the footer message that you want it displayed on here. For this one, we're going to call it Slide Master 101, and we'll apply it to all. You'll see it shows up here, and when we're viewing our slides, the slide number will automatically display. If you decide you don't want the header and footer on here, you can easily just come up and remove it from the selection. Next, let's look at adding objects. I'm going to start with adding one of my favorite objects to my slide. It just provides a little bit of interest. I also like to add a rectangle at the bottom of my slide. Now, it did show up in front of everything that I have here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to the background. I don't like that this object has lines in front of it, so I'm going to grab this one, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to send this one to the back. Finally, let's add our logo to the PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video on PowerPoint Slide Master 101. You now understand the essential skills to create a cohesive and professional presentation. By utilizing the Slide Master, you can ensure consistency across your slides, save valuable time, and focus on delivering your message with confidence. Remember, a well-designed presentation not only looks impressive, but also enhances audience engagement and comprehension. Keep experimenting with different layouts and designs to find what works best for you. Thank you for joining us, and happy presenting.